Hey, it's Harlon and Enrique with Home Redevelopment Solutions. We are on week 3, which means the first day of week 3, Monday, which means we've had 10 days in. Enrique, you want to tell everybody what we have accomplished in the last 2 weeks?
Well, we accomplished more than what we wanted, and the reason is because we had to remove all the plaster. We were not expecting that, but everything was crumbling, so we had to remove it all, and then the drywall, everything. Closed out the door,
so
on level floors. We installed the tile already on the floors.
Look at that beautiful tile, look at that.
We're expecting the walls and ceilings are already primed and painted. I mean, not painted, but
primed. Yeah.
New tile. We're expecting the cabinets today, so we're gonna start with that too.
So cabinet install is today. That's really cool cabinets that this client has picked out, the gray color.
The gray,
which is going to be really, really cool. And then
the plumbing was moved from this corner here. The sink was originally here, so we had to move it to that to get a better layout. And then the stove is going to be installed on this wall.
Okay, so now we've talked a lot about workflow. Workflow was really hard in this home, but now we've got a new layout that's going to be a long stretch of cabinet, a lot more space for preparation, and a great cooking area. So they'll have room for food prep and cooking as well, right?
Yes.
So then in addition, we did, during the rough-in period of last week, we did all the new electrical, of course, like you said, all the new plumbing, which got moved, all the new drywall, and the new floor. So today it's really coming together because we're going to have cabinets. That's when you really start seeing the magic. What's the plan for this week? Wednesday we're having measurement, right?
So cabinets are going to be installed between today and tomorrow, probably Wednesday. We're getting measurements for granite on Wednesday and then installation on Saturday.
Okay, so cabinets today, but by Wednesday the measures, and then by Saturday the countertop, and that's when the magic really comes together, right? And then they're looking for a rustic look, so these beams in the ceiling are going to be painted.
Yes, and we're matching the...
Right now they're matching
the prime molding, just to match it. Oh, and there's going to be brick on this wall.
Oh yeah, that's going to be really cool. So that whole wall is going to be a brick material, which is going to be very, very cool to bring in the rustic look that they're looking for. So that's it that was a wrap for week 2, and we're getting started now on week 3. So we'll have another update at the end of this week, and I think it's going to be something pretty magical. That's it for Harlon and Enrique with Home Redevelopment Solutions.